Welcome to the Pipamoka step-by-step guide. The Pipamoka is our newest product, the first all-in-one vacuum pressurized portable coffee maker. The first step is to remove the lid, brush, scoop, funnel, and filter basket from the Pipamoka. Next, remove the lid from the filter basket and place the funnel on top of the filter basket. Add 2 scoops of ground coffee into the filter basket. Next, remove the funnel and place the lid back onto the filter basket. Next, pour boiling water into the water chamber up to the line that says 1 cup. Then, carefully drop the filter basket into the water chamber. Let the filter basket sink for 40 seconds to the bottom of the water chamber, then lightly tap the bottom of the mug to remove air from the filter basket. Place the lid back on the water chamber. Turn the control ring clockwise and the mug counterclockwise to start the extraction process. Once the water chamber has fully risen, remove it from the mug using caution. Enjoy straight from the mug using the included lid to keep coffee hot for 3 to 4 hours.